Federal Ministers of Pakistan, Deputy Premier Mr. Ishaq Dar, my very dear brother Ibrahim Salim, Ambassador of UAE in Pakistan, and Honorable Faisal Tirmizi, Ambassador of Pakistan in Abu Dhabi, Minister of State Muhtarma Shahza Khwaja, the field of information technology, Madam Tania Idrus, Muhtarma Aisha Humaira, Additional Secretary, Ministry of Information Technology, Pakistan, and I'm really honored standing before the most talented people on both sides of the table who have really established their mark through their outstanding efforts, knowledge, and untiring efforts. It's really a great pleasure for me to mention that under the most dynamic leadership of my dear brother, His Highness Mohammed bin Zayed, President of UAE, that UAE is today taking lead in the field of information technology, artificial information, and constructing information infrastructure on the most modern lines. And for me, as a Pakistani and as a brother of His Highness, and for us as Pakistanis and our brothers in UAE, it is not only a moment of great happiness and pride for us that we see talented UAE nationals here working for various UAE companies, banks, very talented Pakistanis sitting here. And through their joint collaboration, they are really making great efforts to promote digitizing of economy, various sectors of economy. And that's what we need to replicate in Pakistan. I have to say, with a sense of satisfaction, that not only are Pakistani brothers and sisters sitting on this table along with UAE nationals and other nationals, Pakistan offers great potential in terms of its population. Majority of our population comprises of young boys and girls from 15 years to 30 years. It constitutes at least 60% of Pakistan's population. And believe me, ever since I have been elected for the second time as the servant of the people of Pakistan, as Prime Minister, I've spent in the last 2.5 months maximum time focusing on how to promote information technology, artificial technology, information in the various sectors of our economy: agriculture, mines and minerals, information technology skills, empowering our youth, exports, industry, and so on and so forth. And believe me, while Allah Almighty has blessed this very friendly country and brotherly country of UAE with black gold and gas, but I must salute my brother, President Mohammed bin Zayed, for carving out a way forward, future which will not depend on oil and gas, but will depend on non-oil and gas economy, by training its youth, by promoting industrial complexes, by promoting digital economy, by promoting subcontracting and making UAE as the hub of imports and exports, and not only of raw material, imports of components, parts, assembling in UAE, manufacturing in UAE, and then adding value on top of it, and then exporting it. This is the vision of this leader whose name is Mohammed bin Zayed. And I think this is and he's a very dear brother of mine, a great friend of Pakistan, a great supporter of Pakistani people. And to be very exact, he is exactly walking in the footstep of his great father, late Sheikh Zayed, who was a very visionary leader, a generous person, and loved the people of Pakistan from the core of his heart. My dear brothers and sisters, this roundtable conference is a reflection of what can be achieved. And it's a testimony of the fact that sky is the limit. I'm very happy to be here today and be part of this discussion and this presentation and award distribution ceremony to Pakistani entrepreneurs, UAE entrepreneurs, and very able minds. Now here is something I would like to toss up for your kind consideration. We want to really transform our economy. And I'm committed, rather I would use the word, I have this iron resolve to completely transform the economy of Pakistan in collaboration with our brothers here in UAE, be it joint ventures, be it collaborations, or knowledge sharing partnership. And in that, in a short span of 2.5 months, we have literally transformed our information technology ministry in Islamabad. But it is just the first step. It's a long way to go. And I have to say, because we are sitting like a family here, my brother, President of UAE, Mohammed bin Zayed, has been extremely generous, like his great father, supporting Pakistan in the most difficult times of our history. And if you ask me, we will, and I will, never forget his generosity and support to Pakistan in very difficult times. أنا يعني لا ننسى هذا مساعدة أبدا إن شاء الله. But now times have changed, and I have come here. Inshallah, I will be having some meetings here, and then also have the honor of calling on him today, inshallah. And my main subject would be that, my dear brother, like your great father, you have supported Pakistan like a family member, like a brother. But today I'm here in this great country, this great brotherly country, not to seek for loans, but to seek joint collaboration. Seek joint investments which have mutual benefits for the investor and draw dividends through hard work, ingenuity, and by using modern tools and skills. And I want to share with you the broad parameters of our program, that we want to provide highest quality vocational training and empower our youth with modern skills so that they can come to UAE, to Abu Dhabi, to Dubai, and by fulfilling legal formalities, open their offices here and have small, medium enterprises from Pakistan, from Lahore, from Karachi, from Quetta and Peshawar, provide services through a remote mechanism and make livelihood. Support SMEs, startups, and other integral activities combined with this. And I'm prepared to take that risk, believe me, because nothing can be achieved without taking daring risk. I am ready, along with my colleagues, to move forward in this field. My sister Tanya Andrus is sitting in front of me, and with a lot of conviction and hard work, I plucked her from private business to support my efforts in the service of the people of Pakistan. Similarly, Asif Peer, he is minting money, good luck to him. But then, the people of Pakistan should be minting money through hard work, through untiring efforts, using brains and your vision. Gone are the days that I will go to a brotherly country with a begging bowl. I have broken that bowl. And I'm saying this here in my very dear brotherly country, Abu Dhabi, that I have broken that bowl. That bowl will lead us nowhere. When was the last time that a country prospered through aid, handouts, and bowls? Only those countries made their mark and left indelible footprints through sacrifice, hard work, sweat and blood. My dear brothers and sisters, UAEs are a very dear brotherly country. It's a great host to almost more than 1.5 million Pakistanis. And I'm grateful to all of you. And I call all of you as great ambassadors of Pakistan, that you are working hard, untiringly, and making your bread and butter through honesty of purpose and sincerity of purpose. And I salute you for your hard work, and I call you great ambassadors of Pakistan. But this is not enough. You have to learn from now the expertise and experience of our Emirati brothers and sisters. Look what they have done. They have completely transformed their economy. They have completely transformed their working ethics. And like we are a family, there were days in the past when we used to, like brothers, invite them to King Edward Medical College, and our Air Force would train their pilots, and so on and so forth. But today, I am going to ask and request my brother, President Mohammed bin Zayed, please, I will request you to offer your trainers to train our people today. That's what UAE has done. Khitaman, I just want to say, Akhil Kareem Safir, Antum will Pakistan laysa Safir, lakin akhu yani, nana ikhwan, and together we have to work and march forward. Inshallah, with joint efforts, amal, inshallah, we will be a great ummah, and both Pakistan and UAE will prosper together, provided we march in unison, understand each other's sensitivities, join hands, and shun all our concerns and fears, and team our efforts. Inshallah, time will come, one day soon, we will be, inshallah, by following this great patron, we will be a great nation. Pakistan, UAE friendship, Zindabad, long live Pakistan.